Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we will be making blueberry ricotta bubble up bake. Yeah, delicious. 6 ingredients, maybe 5. Either way, it's super easy to make. This recipe I learned from spending a summer at sleepaway camp in Peru. Speaking of the recipe, it will be in the description below, along with the links of all the products you see me using in this cook. If you're not aware, we do have a Omnia Facebook page called Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Beep!
Right around there.
Click the like button, hit the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I'm ready to make this blueberry ricotta bubble up cake.
The blueberry now, are they stuffed nice and like all jammed up with that blueberry?
If you happen to find the Grand's blueberry biscuits, this would be a great alternative. However, I could not find it in my local supermarket, so I'm using these. I hear this recipe is really popular in the city of Lima.